The most important part, the number one most important part out of the whole process is actually the product. It's making sure that the product that you're jumping on is something that people want to buy and that can sell. And of course, something that's in demand, right? You could have the best quality supplier and have the best quality product, and you could be the best person at listing it. You could have the best headline, do the best keyword research, have the best images. You could be a photography whiz, right, and make it look fantastic. But if it's a lump of coal, do you think people are going to buy it? So even if it was a lump of coal, right, if you found the best quality supplier of that lump of coal, right, would it make a difference? Not really. So product really is key. And then it's the supplier, making sure that the supplier is a quality supplier and that when the customer gets it, it's not going to fall apart. In saying that though, I have seen a lot of suppliers I've seen a lot of listings of 1-star reviews, a lot of Amazon listings of 1-star reviews, and they still sell. People are still buying the product even though it's got a 1-star review because it's a hot product. Okay, so even though people are like, you know what, it fell apart ever since I bought it. Oh, it wasn't, the instructions were in, Japanese, right? People are still buying the product because it's such a hot product. So again, it goes back to the product. Okay, and the same thing goes with listing. You could have the best quality listing, but again, if the product is not there, it's not really worth it. So here are 8 must-have factors in your product.